What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about the auto keyword in CSS. So the margin property also lets you center content. However, you must follow a few syntax requirements. Take a look at the following example. If we have a div.headline, the width we set to 400 pixels, the margin is going to be 0 and auto. So in the example above, this margin : 0 auto will center the divs in their containing elements. The 0 sets the top and bottom pixels to 0. The auto basically instructs the browser to adjust the left and right margins until it's centered within the containing element. So in order to center an element, a width must be set for that element. Otherwise, the width of the div will be set automatically to the full width of the containing element, like the body, for example. It's not possible to center an element that takes up the full width of the page, since the width of the page can change due to the display or browser window size. In the example above, the width of the div is set to 400 pixels, which is less than the width of most screens. This will cause the div to center within a containing element that is greater than 400 pixels wide. So let's go ahead and set the width of the dot pull quotes. Dot pull quotes, and we'll set the width of that to be 350 pixels. Run it. Beautiful. And then on one line, set the vertical, the top and bottom margins to be 0, so the margin 0, and then the left and right has to be auto. So we center the pull quote. There you go. And then set the vertical margins of the hashtag main. So the ID of main. Let's see if I can find it right here. Perfect. Okay. Let's set the margin of that to 0 and the horizontal to be same auto. All right. And there you go. That's how we do it right here. So the auto basically sets the left and right to adjust based on the container. So let's say this is the container, and you have the content right here. Let's say Tahoe bean. You basically set it so this side and this side are the exact same distance from one another, so it's centered. But yeah, that's gonna end it right here. If you did enjoy this, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one, and have a fantastic day.